Next question number 18. Find the sum of first 10 terms of arithmetic progression 7, 13, 19 so on using formula. Here the given arithmetic progression given AP is 7, 13, 19 so on. What we have to find out? We have to find the sum of first 10 terms. Then you write the given progression 7, 13, 19 so on. Find the first term A. A equals 7 and D equals A2 minus A1 equals 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Then sum of first 10 terms is to be find out. Then you write n equals 10. Question mark is for yes. S equals question mark. Here you can use the formula by given A, D and N, that is Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or you can get A10 first, that is nothing but L, and by substituting L in the equation Sn equals n by 2 into a plus L also. So let us write the formula S equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D directly. N equals, n is 10. 10 by 2, 2 into a is 7, plus n is 10, 10 minus 1 into D is 6, equals 2 ones are 2 fives are, write 5, 2 sevens are 14, plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 6 equals 5 into, write 14 as it is, plus 9 6 are 54 equals 5 into 14 plus 54, 4 plus 4, 8, 1 plus 5, 6. 5 into 68, or directly you can write into also. Then 68 into 5, 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 6 5s are 30 plus 4, 34. Then the product is 340, which is the sum of first 10 terms of the given AP.